The Ducati Street Fighter V4 Hyper-Naked motorcycle has been launched in India. The Street Fighter V4 is priced at 19,99,000 rupees, while the V4S is priced at 22,99,000 rupees. There's also the V4S Dark Stealth variant that is the most expensive of them all and is priced at 23,19,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. Ducati dealerships have begun accepting bookings for the motorcycle as well. The Ducati Street Fighter V4 shares the engine and electronics package with the Ducati Panigale V4 and sports an aggressive design with biplane wings. It also gets an Öhlins electronic suspension, steering damper and lightweight Marchesini wheels. The Street Fighter V4 range is powered by the 1103cc V4 engine that develops 205 brake horsepower and 122 Nm of peak torque. The Indian government has announced that it is working on a low-cost charging point for electric vehicles that will be affordable and will help scale up the charging infrastructure in the country. The new low-cost charging point will be developed to be priced below 3,500 rupees and will be made according to the new standards issued by the BIS. The charge point is being primarily developed for electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers and will allow up to 3 kW of power to be drawn from the unit. The charge point device could be installed in any place having a 220 volt 15 ampere single phase line. The government aims to scale up the charging infrastructure for electric vehicles in towns and rural areas with a new charge point. Volkswagen has revealed the Tiguan All-Space facelift with a comprehensive update for 2022 model year. The 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan All-Space facelift looks sharper and more aggressive than the outgoing version and sports a new front bumper, revised grille and a new Volkswagen badge. There's also new signature LED DRLs. Globally, the 2022 Tiguan All-Space also gets technological upgrades in the cabin, including a new 8-inch digital instrument cluster, 10-inch digital cockpit pro with Volkswagen's MIB3 infotainment software. The front seats are now ventilated and also get the heating function. There are plenty of safety aids on offer as well. Power on the Tiguan All-Space continues to come from the 2-litre TSI engine that belts out 181 brake horsepower and 300 Nm of peak torque. The model is likely to arrive in India sometime next year.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.